Look up at the sky. You see blue, maybe some clouds. On Earth, the sky is a familiar sight. But imagine standing on the moon. The sky above is completely different. It's a strange and wonderful sight, unlike anything we experience on our own planet. The moon has almost no atmosphere. This means there's no air to scatter sunlight. On Earth, the atmosphere scatters sunlight, which is why our sky is blue, but on the moon, the sky is black, even during the day. Without an atmosphere to trap heat, the moon's temperature swings wildly. It becomes incredibly hot in the sun and extremely cold in the shade. The lack of atmosphere also means there's no wind or weather on the moon. Because there's no air to scatter the sunlight, the sun appears incredibly bright in the lunar sky. It's a stark white disk against the blackness. The sunlight on the moon is also very intense. Looking directly at the sun from the moon is dangerous, just like it is on Earth. It's important to remember that even though the sky is black, the sun's rays are just as powerful. The lack of atmosphere creates extremely sharp contrast between light and shadow on the moon. Areas bathed in sunlight are brilliantly lit, while shadows are incredibly dark. This creates a dramatic and surreal landscape. Astronauts on the moon had to be careful about these extreme lighting conditions. The bright sunlight could be blinding, while the shadows could hide dangerous craters and rocks. When night falls on the moon, the sky transforms into a breathtaking spectacle. Without atmospheric distortion, the stars appear incredibly bright and clear. The Milky Way stretches across the sky like a river of light, filled with countless stars and galaxies. From the moon, you can see many more stars than you can from Earth. It's a view that allows you to truly grasp the vastness and wonder of the universe. Perhaps the most striking sight in the lunar sky is Earth. From the moon, our planet appears as a bright blue and white sphere hanging in the blackness. It's a beautiful and humbling sight that underscores the uniqueness of our home. Unlike the stars which appear fixed in the sky, Earth goes through phases as seen from the moon. These phases, from new Earth to full Earth, are a constant reminder of the connection between our world and its celestial neighbor. Close your eyes and imagine standing on the surface of the moon. Picture the black sky above, the blazing sun and the sharp contrasts of light and shadow. Then imagine the night sky, filled with countless stars and the Milky Way stretching across the cosmos. Finally, look up and see Earth, a beautiful blue oasis in the vastness of space. The moon's sky is a truly awe-inspiring sight, one that invites us to ponder the mysteries and wonders of the universe.